What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we're just going to talk about the overall sentiment of the market, what things are going on, altcoin season, Bitcoin bull markets, all that good stuff. But before we get into those topics of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is just above $59,000 mark. We understand earlier today, Bitcoin dipped all the way down to $58,000. We saw the Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting right now at 47. Yesterday, we saw the Fear and Greed Index at 55, 56. We're looking at the Bitcoin dominance at 56.3% now. It's still holding strong as far as the dominance. That's because some of the altcoins were pushed down a lot more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was pushed down 6% today. Bitcoin lost $4,000 in one day. So today was not a great day to be in cryptocurrency, but this is what's been going on as of lately. A lot of volatility, a lot of sideways action, ups and down in the cryptocurrency market. Currently, Ethereum is below $25,000. The Ethereum dominance is 14.2, getting close to 13%. So those are some of the things that we like to pay attention to daily, looking at the various indicators and charts. But let's go ahead and get to some of the topics of the day. First, one of the things I want to take a stab at is altcoin season. A lot of folks are saying, Coach, what's going on with March 2024? Bitcoin hit $73,000. Do you think that was the high? Do you think we've already seen altcoin season? Is altcoin season dead? There's so many questions on the table. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt looming around the cryptocurrency market as a whole. But I've been paying real close attention to the March 2024 date. That's when Bitcoin did tip above the $73,000 mark. But typically, that was the first time that Bitcoin ever hit the all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. So a lot of folks are very skeptical as far as what that was about. Will we get above $73,000? Is it over, and do we got to sit back and wait around to 2028? But one of the things I've been sharing with folks who've been asking me about that, you got to understand, in January 10th, we had a supply shock. This is the first time that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin had two supply shocks in 1 year. Typically, there's only one supply shock every 4 years, and that's the Bitcoin halving. But we understand the spot Bitcoin ETF was approved January 10th, 2024. That was a supply shock. We've seen all type of large institutions coming into the cryptocurrency space, buying up tons and tons of Bitcoin. That was a supply shock. So what happened immediately after that supply shock? Well, boom. Now you got March. We start to see Bitcoin hit all-time high. This is the first time this has ever happened before the Bitcoin halving. Well, this is the first time we've ever had a supply shock outside of the Bitcoin halving. So that is what that was. That was the effect from that spot Bitcoin ETF supply shock. So that was like a baby altcoin season to me. We really didn't know at the time. We were thinking that it was going to continue to run up, but like we say, Monday morning quarterback, all that kind of stuff. Now that we could look back on it, we could kind of make more sense of what the heck happened, why it happened, so forth and so on. So that's why I'm saying this is going to be a super cycle. We've already seen Bitcoin break its all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. Now we are getting ready to lock in and kind of get back onto our regular routine schedule that happens every 4 years. We understand immediately after the Bitcoin halving, about 200 days or about 5 to 6 months, that's when things really start to kick in and getting serious. Currently, right now, we're just almost at the end of August, so we're about 5 months deep after the Bitcoin halving. I say we still got about another month and a half before things really start getting interesting and things really start spiking up. A lot of green candles start to produce and start to show. So we're just understanding what part of the cycle we're in, dollar cost averaging in, and most importantly, trusting the process as we instill patience. Patience is very important, especially if you trust and believe in the 4 year cycles. You got no choice but to be patient. We've been dollar cost averaging in for years. We've been waiting for the Bitcoin halving for years, so we're finally here. Now we just got to sit through. Got all kind of these doggone bugs and gnats. We outside hanging out in the backyard talking about cryptocurrency. And I think some of the bugs, they want to hear about the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrencies too. I think they've been dollar cost averaging in some of these altcoins. So they trying to get some of the information also. So, but like I said, that is what I'm thinking. March 2024 was. March 24th was just the first effects from the supply shock of the spot Bitcoin ETF. So that was a baby altcoin season. Now we are expecting to see the grand de la creme of the most greatest cryptocurrency bull run that we've ever seen. Altcoin season 2024, 2025. We're expecting things to really start to explode in the month of October. They understand, they say each previous cycle, it's been about 500 to 600 days after the Bitcoin halving that, we hit a top. So we still got a lot of room to run, a lot of room to really make exponential gains. We look back at previous cycles, we've seen coins do 30, 40x in a matter of 90 days. So it don't take long for you to change your life. It don't take long for your portfolio to really get to hundreds and hundreds of $1,000 like it happens every 4 years, every cycle. Also want to talk about StepApp FitFind. We had some issues with StepApp FitFind the past few days. That's one of the altcoins that I've been rocking with, a low cap coin that I've been rocking with for months. It had issues on crypto.com. The buy button, the sell button was gone. We didn't know what was going on. We didn't know if it was a rug pull, but everybody started reaching out. Folks on X, folks on my YouTube page, we got together as a community and we flooded crypto.com. We called a 1-800 line. We hit them on all the platforms. We tagged them here, tagged them there. And, because we didn't understand. We didn't know what was going on. We didn't get an email saying that this coin was going to be delisted. What the heck is going on? A lot of folks have thousands and thousands of dollars in that particular coin because we're expecting that coin to do 30x, 50x, could even do 100x. So a lot of folks, including myself, have a nice position in that place. So, but I understand that that's part of cryptocurrency. That's part of the risk of cryptocurrency. Rug pulls are a thing. I mentioned to you guys a few days ago about Voyager when it went under in 2022. FTX went under. So cryptocurrency is very volatile asset and it's very risky. That's why they say high risk, high rewards, because at any particular time your coin can go down to zero. At any particular time, buy buttons, sell buttons can be gone. You lose 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 bucks, whatever it is. That's why I say it's very important to be diverse in your portfolio. It's also very important to hold your funds and have several different portfolios. You want to have a crypto.com portfolio. You want to have a Coinbase portfolio. You want to have a cold storage wallet on the side. You got to be a little bit diverse because you never know which one at any particular time could belly up and you just lose everything. That's cryptocurrency. That's how it's been rocking. Understanding that the SEC is a little bit more involved now, so we're hoping that the rug pulls are not as rampant. The exchanges are not as crazy and wild as they once was before the SEC started putting pressure on some of these organizations. So that's what happened with StepApp FitFind. Took about 3 days after us putting pressure on crypto.com, asking them what the heck's going on, why there's no buy button. Y'all got our money there. Y'all didn't give us no warning. So I'm assuming that the pressure from the community caused them to take a look and see what the heck was going on. Lo and behold, now the buy button and the sell button is back on StepApp FitFind. A lot of folks are taking their money off of it because it just rubbed them the wrong way. It didn't feel good. So, and there are some folks that just still have their money in there, just gonna rock and just gonna roll with it. Just cryptocurrency. Those type of things happen. Does it feel good? No, it don't feel good. But we have to understand that those are some of the things that can happen and will happen when you're in cryptocurrency. So the most important thing, stay patient. The most important thing, trust the process. We understand that we're only about 5 months after the Bitcoin halving. Typically, it's about 6 to 7 months after the Bitcoin halving is when things really start to get explosive. but you want to make sure that you're dollar cost averaging in right now. You want to make sure that your positions are set, your positions are solid. You don't want to start getting your positions when Bitcoin is $75,000. You don't want to start getting your position when Bitcoin is getting close to $100,000. You want to start getting your positions right now when there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. A lot of folks, oh, Bitcoin's going down to $40,000, whatever it is. If it do go down to $40,000, guess what we're going to do? We're going to continue to dollar cost average in because we trust in the process. We're sticking to the script, staying patient, and we are going to ride this doggone thing all the way up to the promised land 2024, 2025, hitting financial freedom. But like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community, like-minded folks like you and I who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.